Hi, so today in this video, we will learn how to set up Whatsboost for first time. So first of all, you have to go to your website. And from your website, if you haven't signed up, you have to click on get 5 days trial and create your account. Put in the name, Gmail, phone number. If you can see, there are already two country codes. I'll remove one. Put in the password. Password must be 8 characters long. And you will have to click on create. So as soon as you click on create, your this ID will set up this. Okay, after that something like this will open up for your account. So you can put in the device name. If you have the webhook url, you can put in. If you don't have, you can keep it blank and click on create now. As soon as you click on create now, it will generate a QR code. So it's loading currently. Sometimes it loads. If you don't want to wait more, you just have to click on refresh once. So once you refresh it, it will generate a QR code instantly. You have to scan it via these steps, via your WhatsApp app. It could be normal WhatsApp app or it could be WhatsApp business app. Okay, you have to link it. Once it's you click on linked, it will get linked and it will show the device as active. Something like this will appear. Okay, once your device is connected. After that, after device is connected, you can click on my device and it will show you your number and status as active. If it's showing you something like this, you can click on again scan. Again, it's showing a QR code loading. You just have to refresh it and it will load it instantly. So that's the device connection part. Once your device is connected, your first uh, step is done. Now second step is the lead manager. Okay, so you have to import the leads, right? Where do you import the leads? You have to go to contact group and create a test group. It could be, you can put in any name. It's a contact list. Basically, contact group means here is the list of the contacts. So you, every contact you will save or integrate from somewhere, import from somewhere, it will save in these contact lists. So these contact lists are of a lot of times. You can add n number of contact lists. You can create n number of contact lists as well. So once you create it, it will show you blank. Okay, let's test one. I have put in test one. If I see here, test one is zero contact. So if I want to import a contact, I can either create a test one, put in the name, put in the URL, sorry, phone number and email, and click on create. So it will show the group as test one here, something like this. So importing your groups have been created. After that, you don't have to import anything first. You have to create templates. So templates are of 5 types: plain text, text with media. Media could be image, video, PDF, anything. Text, media, message with button. Message with button are of 2 types. One is plain text, and second is media. Okay, template media is also here. Okay, if you want to put in the URL button, that also you can add, but it's in beta. And list message. List message are the messages of how many list, like more than one button, so 3 buttons, 5 buttons comes in list messages. I'll show you an example. Let me show you an example. So if you can see here, this is called a list message, and this is called a WhatsApp button message. These are the templates, text, plain text messages only, and these are the message with button without message with media without buttons. Okay, so these are all the templates you have to save. You can save it here. Once you save the templates, it will show you here. Okay, now you want to access the APIs. If you want to integrate it with anything, so you have to click on create app, select the number which you have connected, put in the app name, and put in the website URL. You can paste our website URL if you don't have the website. You have to click on create now. It will generate these APIs for your number, and using these APIs you can integrate anything. So now your device is connected. Your lead manager can save the contacts in the contacts. Okay, now templates are ready. Now you have to create a workflow. You can create via here. You can select the test group, as you can see. Okay, put in the workflow name. Delay, if you want to add delay, select the template. It will show all the templates which you have saved here in this. If I want to send a message after 60 minutes, so as soon as in this group I'll add a number, after 60 minutes it will send this message. then again after 60 minutes I want to send another message. So that's how you can create a sequence. First this message will go after 60 minutes, then again after 60 minutes this message will go. And if I want to save send two messages, I can select two. And if I want to add 1 day delay, so I will just add 1440. It's 1440 minutes in a day. So after that it will send this message. I will click on create now. It will create a workflow for this. After that I just have to add the number in this group. I can import it as well using CSV file. Okay, we have provided the uh, template of the number. First column should be the name. If you don't have the name, keep the column blank. And second column should be the number with country code. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. And click on select the group and import it. Once you import it, it will work something like this. Okay. And then comes the chatbot part and WA group listener for group automations and send bulk message. These are all the use cases which you want to do. On all the use cases we have created the particular video which you can check it out. And in this
Hi,
video
so today we will learn.
we have showed how you can set up Whatsboost for the first time. And this is how you can integrate anything. All the use cases are here in these videos. Okay, particular like how to create templates are also here, and how to send schedule message, how to send bulk message, how to set up workflow, how to set up lead manager. All the videos are here. You can access this playlist via here. That's it. And thank you.